Hey, cousins, best friends, everybody in between. I hope you are having a wonderful day wherever you are. So, I have a story time for you guys. As you all know, I just recently bought my first house. Yay! And so I'm going through kind of some of the growing pains that I guess you go through when you first buy your new home. I've decided that there were some changes I wanted to make before I even move into the house. First change, I needed to get the house painted. Like, I wanted to get it painted before I even step foot and move any furniture in there. Whew, y'all. So I have been looking at paint colors for like the past 3 weeks. I kid you not. Every flight I've been on, every, free weekend, I have been looking at paint colors and Pinterest. No lie. I have been going from store to store, just trying to figure out what colors do I want. So even looking at TikTok, by the way. So I finally figured out the color I want. I got a painter. I chose the particular color called Ethereal Mood by Sherwin-Williams. This is the color I wanted as like the main color in my new home. My hallway, my foyer, living room, like this was going to be kind of the main color. Y'all, I went by the house after I sent the paint colors to the painter. I walk in, and what should be Ethereal Mood by Sherwin-Williams, I walk in and my foyer is this gorgeous baby blue, sky blue, April showers bring May flowers type of blue. And me being me, I was like, oh, is this the primer? Like, what's this? And he was like, no, that's the color. Y'all, I'm not going to scream. I'm not going to be dramatic. I literally was like, no! Oh my God. And so everyone just kind of froze. I was like, what color is this? And he was like, this is the color that you said. I said, no, it is not. This is not Ethereal Mood by Sherwin-Williams. Y'all, so he went, got the receipt, showed me the receipt, and it says on there, Ethereal Mood. He showed me the paint container. It says Ethereal Mood. Now, I know good and damn well that the Ethereal Mood I chose from Sherwin-Williams is not this light blue, April showers bring May flowers. So I was like, what is this? So I call the store while all the painters are standing there, and I speak to a lady named Jane or Jan. And I said, Jan, this is not the Ethereal Mood that I picked out. And I said, do you have a cell phone? I can send you a picture. So I sent her a picture of the color baby blue, April showers bring May flowers. And she was like, oh, no, that's not Ethereal Mood. I said, no, it's not. What is this? And in my head, y'all, I kid you not, I literally was like, if 2 + 2 is 4 and 5 + 5 is 10, what the fuck is this? Anyway, so she's like, hey, she said, I think I see what the problem is. So I'm listening. I'm like, go ahead, Jan, because you're on speakerphone. Because she tried to put the blame on my painter and was like, I think when he came in, he just asked for Ethereal Mood and didn't specify. And I was like, nah, because he got every other color right. He got tricorn black right. He got charcoal blue right. He got OB lilac right. So I don't think this is on him. He showed y'all my list. Y'all. And if you haven't figured it out, those of you who know anything about paint, you probably figured out what the issue is. They gave him Ethereal Mood by Behr, not Ethereal Mood by Sherwin-Williams, which are the exact same name. But baby, those are two very different colors. Very different colors. So she said, hey, just have him bring the paint back. We'll fix it. And, we'll get you your correct color. So shakingly, I hung up the phone and my painter went back to Sherwin-Williams. And then later that night sent me a video where the sky blue April showers bring May flowers color is now gone. And the correct Ethereal Mood by Sherwin-Williams is now in the house. So if you ever done any sort of painting project and this has happened to you, please be sure to tell me in the comments if you know what this felt like. Because when I saw that baby blue, y'all, I almost had a Teresa Giudice moment from the Real Housewives of New Jersey where I was about to flip the table. Like, I was like, what is this? But we got it fixed. So it's on to the next project before move-in day. So if I am not at work or at home, or if I'm not on some red carpet, guess where you will find me? The Home Depot. Because now it's time to pick out faucets. And these are the tales of buying your first home, part one. Don't worry, it's not going to be a part 50 series. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with y'all. Have a wonderful day. Let's go dogs and let's go rattlers. Bye.